In a surprising turn of events, Orlando Pirates have confirmed the appointment of Moroccan tactician Abdisalam Odo as the new club's new head coach, ushering in a new era for the Soweto Giants. The announcement on Monday ends weeks of speculation surrounding the vacant coaching role following Jose Rivero's departure. Despite widespread reports linking former Mamelodi Sundowns boss Ronald Mokoena to the post, the Buccaneers have opted for the 46-year-old former Moroccan international to lead the team in the upcoming season. Abdeslam, who played as a centre-back between 1999 and 2013, made his first strides in the coaching June just last year when he took charge of Congolese side AS Vita. Now he finds himself at the helm of one of South Africa's most storied clubs. The Orlando Pirates released a statement that said, Orlando Pirates Football Club is pleased to announce the appointment of Abdeslam Outdoor as the new head coach. Abdeslam takes over from Rivero, who stepped down from a successful 3-year stint to join Egyptian giants Al Ahly. The Moroccan coach brings him with a wealth of experience gained both on the pitch and on the sidelines. He amassed 68 caps for the Moroccan national team and plies his trade in some of Europe's top leagues, including stints in France and Greece. Odo is expected to arrive in South Africa later this week to begin preparations with the team. He will be supported by a coaching team that includes Mandla Ncikazi, Ryan Jacobs, Helmy Goldrich, and Tyrone Diamonds. Buccaneers will officially begin their preseason training on June 27 before heading to Spain for an intensive international preseason tour. The 12-day camp scheduled from July 8 to July 20 in Marbella marks the club's third consecutive European tour. During the trip, Pirates will test themselves against a strong lineup of European opposition, including Bolton Wanderers, England, Pafos FC Cyprus, La Liga side Las Palmas and Granada. As Pirates gear up for the 2025-2026 campaign, all eyes will be on Ado to see whether he can build on the foundation left by his predecessor and steer the season robbers to domestic and continental glory. Orlando Pirates fans reacted on social media. Some are surprised by the appointment, but others are happy for the coach. One stated, I'm speaking on behalf of Orlando Pirates fans when I say we fully welcome this technician to lead us to glory days. We support the son of the soil. Another one said, Abdeslam Odo Ball, Orlando Pirates is definitely winning the league title this coming season. Another one stated, Orlando Pirates management is always dribbling journalists when it comes to coaches, appointments, and transfer windows news. We were told that Pirates was set to appoint Rulani only to realize it was all false. Another fan said, those who are disappointed because of Pirates didn't appoint their favorite Rulani as a head coach, Ngiti Futek, argue with your ancestors. Another fan stated, Mandla Ncikazi was Merit's Edge United and Golden Arrows head coach. He has been part of Orlando Pirates coaching staff since 2019. Now he's going to be assistant coach to someone who coached Marumo Gallants for 3 months. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.